All right, we are out here, Supercar Sunday at Pierce College, on the back part. This weekend over there on the front, they got like farmers market, street fair type things going on, a little swap meet action going on over there. So we're here kind of early. Sun's out, beautiful morning. My Bambino's birthday this weekend, so I'm sticking it close to home. Make this short, sweet. You know what to do. Take a walk. All right, first off, look at this bad bitch right here. Woo! Carbon fiber action. All bodied out right here. This thing's sweet. That guy in that shadow. Let's go, 4.2 wagon. Absolutely clean. Wheel well. Bouncing around some people there. 442 wagon. Put on your Sunday best, kids. Going to Sears, and this thing is legit clean.
In 69, it had a 400 cubic inch engine because GM had a need that no intermediate size carbon had.
It's got a 454 in it.
First goals in December, they put the 455 in the car.
Super clean. Bentley. Wood grain. The compass right on. Looks like. Audi R8. Uh-oh. Is that OJ's gloves in there? The juice is loose. Carbon fiber. The Tri 5 crew over here. Say hello to Barton. '57 side by side. There's the buddy Vartan right here. It says, Dave, when you film my car, it's not yellow. Busting my balls over here. I hope that's not your mom's stripper pole. Squared off. Be pretty tricky if she can do work on that, huh? You know that guy? Beautiful car. 56 side by side over here. The Bel Airs, and say this is the backside. It's not the backside of water.
Good morning, Larry.
But the backside is Chevrolet. Be mad at a Nomad. 56 Nomad. Ooh, got a snake on the dash. Beautiful C10 over here. Nice and clean. American Racing wheel. Clean bed in there. '61 Biscayne. Race car. It's for sale. Show you that info right now. Get blinded by the sun. This will work. There you go. Deposit. Get some station identification in there. 39.5, 39.9. 40 racks. With that 454 under the hood. That's a cool back window drop, huh? And a two-door Blazer. 71. A few cars we haven't seen out here before. So try not to focus on some of the ones that we see all the time. Take a look-see. A little chilly underneath this canopy over here. Delta 88. Take over the world, Ma. Take over the world. All I need in this world is bolts and my word. And on the hubcap, the Delta 88. W for the win. Super Sport Camaro. Original style interior. Morning. '69. El Camino leaving already? Like that green. Waiting on an Edsel. Badass Camaro right here. Supercar Sunday shirt. What do we got? We got a Ford GT rolling up. We'll go check that out in a minute. Focus, focus. Haven't seen any ladies out here yet. Sausage Fest. Bueno, ladies, wake up. Get your backsides out here.
Yeah, they're hard to get.
Bird. Look at that. How clean is that? 411 horse.
Yeah. I've got to get under the car.
That is nice right there. Skeet, skeet. Give me some tissues right now. Clean off my shorts. Got a little Ford action going on here from the Pharaohs. Bringing out some muscle this morning. Down low. Morning, how you guys doing?
All right, man. What's up?
It sounds so neat. Here we go.
That's why this car's actually yeah.
Nice and sweet. Hey there, baby boy. You darn rascal, you.
How the hell are you?
Doing all right. How the hell are you? All right. Ran into my buddy Tom over here. Got the Whipple. Got all kinds of bells and whistles he put under the hood. It's a 2013. He had to put a big old radiator. Could he put on that big old Whipple? He's got 500 and... Did you say 535 to the wheel?
565.
565. Oh, look at there. I don't want to shortchange you. And just in case, that's where the fuel goes. The Make It Happener.
A lot of people hate that gas tank.
I think it looks cool. It breaks it up. But the metallic finish on that paint. Hopefully you can see it.
305, baby.
Get out of this. Get out of the shadow there. See that? No Mopar love. Sexy, baby, sexy.
Such a cool car.
For air action, but listen here. Super clean Volkswagen. I'll take a Nugan. All right. Getting a little distracted around here. Good to see my buddy Tom back there. I haven't seen him in a while. I'll get a close up, pop the hood when it came in. Love over here. Got some Mark American Muscle pulling up in the back. And a 84 short bed. Malibu over here. Some big old fatties on the back. Big old tire. Little bar. Go. And drop that in the El Camino. Sorry. Mustang Mach 1. Nice little turnout here this morning. Fairlane 500. See that window glare. $390. Fairlane, this thing sounded sweet when it was rolling in.
65.5, and it was like a big rated 204s, 209.
Maybe not. There's a lot of good cars here today. It's a 65 Malibu. Just so you can listen to that whistle. Alright, back over here. See out here at Pierce College on the back lot. Where they have it, try and have it during the summer when it gets so damn hot. Beautiful morning though right now. Thunderbird. Some What is this thing? What is it? What is it? Let me know. Let me know. What the hell kind of car is this? Big old Merc. And that black car I was just looking at. It's a Russian car. Shelby Mustang. Wrap it up. Hold on, let's get some of that music to the ears. Shelby Dash sign. Super Sports. Morning, how you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Doing all right, all right.
All right.
Sexy, baby, sexy. All right. Haven't even gotten out of this one little corner yet. A lot of people starting to show up. And yes, there's a lot of ladies rolling up. Not the ladies from the 80s from the Little White Castle. The ladies of the Hells to the Yeses. Demon. Little devil you. Alright, Super Sport 396 Chevelle. That cowl hood induction. This is a beauty. Nice and straight. Look at that clean ass interior. The 4-speed. McLaren, sexy. Next to an M3. Around to the front over here. Check it out. The El Camino that fired up over there. White one. A little something for everybody always out here. And McLaren, Audi. All you BMW heads. Yes, I'm telling you, there are ladies out here today. So got the little MG.
Playing all the stuff in it too.
396 Chevelle, green with the black. Nice and clean. Also a 4-speed. It's a better turnout than what I thought was going to be. Had to give people a minute, I guess. And the ladies too. I said the ladies are out right now. I bet. Oh, you can't find it, grind it. Oh, Mercedes getting yelled at.
It's 3 nothing. 3, yeah.
Morning, how you doing? Well, who loses a shoe? Got an old man missing a shoe around here. Mustang Love over here. Little ponies. Racing block. Smells like gas, so you know it's legit. Cobra. It's a kit car. 427. This top on here looks a little bizarre, doesn't it? Or there's a little pad down there with some duct tape on it. Now you know you're. At least he drives it. 65. Lambo rolling up behind us. Oh, it's a Corvette. Picked the wrong day to leave the El Camino at home. Sunbeam. Sounded nice and throaty when it rolled up. A whole lot shoved in that little area. Datsun, of course, we have seen a few times before. Side by side. Park next to an old model. Right? Where else is that going to happen? Right here at Pierce College. Typically every Sunday. The Viper rolling up. Typically every Sunday out here, Pierce College. So you can check it online. It has a calendar. Who's hosting? Sometimes they got donuts. I didn't see donuts over there. I have to make my way over there. I have to double check. You know, we're a sucker for a good ornament. Flying goose. The lotus. Some Tupperware in the back in case you got to pack a lunch.
Next week he's coming over.
The Cobra. Notice the shifter laying down flat like that on some of the others. Have I just not been paying attention? The emergency brake over there on the far side. I have to go look at that other one. Thing that never caught my eye before. Holiday Rambler. We got a Cobra rolling up. Beautiful red. Thunder. Thunder. Red on red on red. Fold down top goes under there, right? Try not to trip in this hole over here. Don't need to be tripping. Smell that gas. No need for power steering. A little different under there, right? That other one. Shelby signed. Doesn't make it original, right? Drive GTR. Catch up with it here in a minute. Porsche action. Got that bug.
And I look at it now, I mean, go for the PD first.
For sale.
My brother's for sure.
26 big ones, huh? $26 racks. What do you guys know about those bugs? Is that worth that? '66 El Camino. Mint seed in there. like that paint.
Did I sell this guy some dice?
Can't remember. Comes another Porsche rolling in over here. Porsche race car. Let's check it out. It's Porsche race car day.
This car done by the man himself?
Some Pantera action.
What's going on, Mike? Hey, there he is.
Lots of good stuff out here today. We're gonna be on this thing. Sweet. Sounds beautiful. Wall whip. Signed. Big money, big money. 55. But wait a minute. Not your ordinary Nacho Libre.
Doesn't go away.
You try that? That's the best.
Porsche's lined up over here. Got the Rari. See what you can't see on the inside right here. It is a Supercar Sunday out here.
Will do. You said Russian? Yeah.
Carbon fiber everywhere.
I know. On it's exactly flat. Right. Fahrenheit driving around somewhere. You're going to freeze down.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Alright, we got a little rat rod fire engine over here. There you go. That's cool stuff.
Thank you.
All right, babe. Let's yeah, check it out before it ends. See you later, buddy. What's your name? Don.
Super cool. Little paddles out here.
3-inch pipe from Cats. So it's
The Vipers out here. Yeah, what the fuck? Kumo D? Get out of town. He's pimping out here. Wild Wild West. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Wild Wild West. Can't get that out of my head. Yeah, my boy's over there big pimping, man. Shout out to him. Love it. Of course, it's not Kumo D, but boy's out here pimping it. Couple of ponies. Good night. All right. Coyote engine. Mean in business here, baby. Mean in business.
Dad, it's a stick. Dad, it's a stick. Then both car.
Line of Porsches over here. Something for everybody. Pierce College. Sundays. Here on Victory and Mason. So usually it goes down up over yonder. They got a farmers market, street fair, whatever it is going on today. So they have it back here, and then during the summertime when it's hot, they like to come back here. But there's a gang of people out here, as you can see. Let's go, let's go. You never know unless you go. We done came. We done found the fuck out. I don't even know where the hell I parked anymore. When I came here, there wasn't this many cars. Now, this old school caddy. Well. For sale. Hey, how's it going? Saw you guys pull up a little while ago. All right. All Frenched up. For Sally, see the sparkles? Sexy. Old school patterns. It's for Sally. Pinstriping in there. A little 8-inch, 6-inch steering wheel. Good stuff. It's got French antennas. Let's check it out on the other side. I do believe. There we go. Old school French in. A nice flakage. Jurassic Park. Mocked up Jeep. It looks like it's freshly done.
Did you get that big ass tire truck?
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. However that theme song goes. I like those Jurassic Park movies. Long and lean. We'll pull a car. Hey, brakes work. Everything out here. Graphics on that. We saw that rolling in over there. But it's a badass airbrush. With a little bit of muscle. The Pantera. Samurai action over here. I'll lift it up. The old rollover king. Sounds meaty. Here comes that Hot Rod Pinto. Smell of gas in the air. Over here in the corner, blending in with the regular vehicles. Glaried up. Like old Chuck, what's they call these? And the newer McLarens. Ooh. Street legal race cars. And another rare. Something you don't see every day or every other weekend. GTR. Nismo. His right-hand drive. There we go. Check it out right there on the Instagram, the grammage. Must be Italiano, huh?
Wax Museum, Emerald, Ferris wheel, at least 3 times.
Fragile. I think it says fragile, hon. Alright. I don't think there's anything else coming. Getting a little late. 9:15, something like that. This thing usually goes till 10. I'm gonna get run over by Subaru, right-hand drive Subaru. Right here behind me, as I say, nothing else is rolling up. See if you can see it back there. Yeah, right-hand drive Subaru. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment. Never know unless you go. So till the next time, let's go.